Hey YouTube, this is part 2 of the video. For you, I'll put a link below or in the card so you guys can see the first part of the video. The first part was me trying to polish on swatches, and this is actually me applying it to my nails. I wanted to apply it to my nails because they asked me to. They want to see how I look on my skin, and I want to see how I look on my skin too, so this is what you're getting right now. This one is, I believe, 187. I don't have them on me right now at the moment, but I believe that's where the numbers start. I'm going in order because I have to go in order. That's just the way I am. Yeah, I think I'm gonna apply 2 coats for this one. And sorry, this is a voiceover, but there was way too much stuff going on when I was recording, and I don't want to get restricted for the video. So we're just gonna keep it this way. And this one is 188, I believe. I posted this on my Instagram also, so I will leave that link below for you guys to watch. What am I talking about? Sorry y'all, I'm tired. I don't think straight or talk straight when I'm tired. But no, I made a post on Instagram about the nails. I never mentioned making a video, but I did today. And now I'm editing the video. Got home from work. We're gonna do this real quick. There's nobody home. So yeah, that's how I like it. And this is 189. Pretty, y'all. Very, very pretty. I also sped the video up some so it won't be too long. The video is kind of long already as it is, but hey, I didn't want it to be too fast. So I'm basically just cleaning up my nails and everything like that. I'm not the best person to do polish, especially gel polish. Right here I'm just showing you what I did for 3 of my fingers, my ring, my middle, and my index finger. I used the Yogi Poly Gel, and I used that as the base coat. I wanted this to have fake nails on it without actually, taking them off. So I just used them as forms and kept them on. I just scratched the surface off. I tried it a long time ago by accident, because I don't know if it's nail form or dual forms, but the ones you get in the polygel kit, they don't exactly fit my nail shape, and it takes long to file them down and all that good stuff like that. So I decided to use these because they were a little closer to my nail bed shape, so I just wanted to do that when I did try it out, and it got stuck to it, so I literally had to peel it off, and in the process of peeling it off I kind of lifted some of my nails, so I decided to try it again and see how it turns out. The shape is really cute, but when I apply the glitter, you'll see later in the video, that's where I kind of messed up and it got kind of clumpy and lumpy. So right here I think I'm applying the 191. That's the one with the shimmers in it. I'm not really sure if it's going to show up on this video. I think the lighting's too bright. But I like how smooth it goes on, y'all. It goes on really, really good. I have a habit of or before I do my nail polish, I take off too much sometime on the brush. It's like that's what happened with this. So I have to put another coat on. This is the second coat, y'all. Oh, did everybody enjoy their weekend? I did. I had 2 days off in a row. No, 3 days, because I requested it off. Because I work in retail, so you're off when you're off. It's not like no Pacific days, like Saturday and Sunday. Girl. I was like, I need a weekend off. It's been a long time. So that's what I did. I don't remember requesting it off, but that's what I did anyway. It's for something I was supposed to go to, but I ended up not going. I was really being lazy. That's all it was. Sorry for the background noise, y'all. Is that a dog? I think it is a dog. I'm thinking about just putting music in the background. I think I'm better with applying gel polish than regular polish, because you can still work with it. And regular polish, it dries up, and the ones they have these days, they dry super fast. I don't know what I was doing right here. I didn't feel like editing, so I think I just kept it in anyway. So whoever's watching the video right now, or in this part, because I know some of y'all skip anyway. So when you guys get polish on your hand, do you use a dry brush or a wet brush? And if you use a wet brush, you know, dip it in some liquid, like, do y'all use acetone or alcohol? Let me know. Because I don't know, I was trying with acetone and it seemed like it just spread, and when I tried with alcohol, I like kind of got it up. I don't know. And I tried dry too. I guess whatever's best for you and how you work. I didn't know I could watch the video on my laptop and record audio at the same time. I'm super pumped. What did I do to the screen? I don't want to touch it and it paused, so I just leave it alone. Okay, so with my thumb, I think I applied it 3 times. I really do. I think because I used the clear poly gel, so it took more coats for it not to be noticeable. I might speed the video up a little bit more. Okay, now, sorry, 192 I'm putting in the, this dish I got. It's so pretty. So there'll be a video later with Model 1s. I can't say what it is, but I'll let you guys see. But you're going to see that polish in that thing again. And that's because where I used to work at to do my nails, it was kind of like by the window. And this got pushed into the windowsill over the blinds, and it cured. It cured really fast. It took like 2 minutes. Man, I was so mad. So I don't know how to get it off. It's just on there. I tried acetone and that didn't work because the acetone just dried right up. So if anybody has these, you have any ideas what to do to get it off? I tried to scrape it off, but I don't want to scratch up the thing at all. So I don't know. But right here, I was going to use a sponge, but I was trying to do effect where like it's thick on top and then towards the bottom it's really scarce and you can't really see it, and it's like thinning out. That's what I was trying to do, but it didn't work out that way. It's my first time trying it, but yeah, I think I did pretty good. I know some of y'all think I talk too much, but I'm trying to keep talking, so because there's so much on the video and it's kind of long. There's only so many things you can say, and I got a few more videos to edit, so it's like I'm not trying to spend my whole time on this one video. But this is a review, if I didn't say at the beginning, for Beetles gel polish. I could get some more of their polish because all I had was their top and base coat and the matte top coat. This is when I first got on Instagram and YouTube. This is like in April. I was like, oh my gosh, you get 3D things for $12. I was like, I'm on this. So that's what I did. Added my face on Instagram. And a couple months later, I was like, oh, I forgot. So I started liking their stuff, and then I started reading their posts, and they was like, hey, anybody want to test a free product? Test a product? I'm like, yeah. This is the first 6 people. So like 3 hours passed by. They had like 6 likes. I was like, oh, damn. It's over there. Did it already, right? So I DM'd them, and they hit me back like, I don't want to say, maybe some hours later or the next day. And it was like, yeah, it's this polish right here. And I was like, oh, okay, that's what's up. I thought it was a lost cause. I was like, no, people was on that quick. It's the first 6 people. So anybody's on Instagram, follow their page. Is Beetles gel polish. I think that's right. I could be wrong, but if you put in Beetles gel, it will pop up, and their picture, it has Beetles and it's in white writing with a black background. So check them out. Like last month they had for you to test their poly gel, to do a review. It was 20% off, and I was like, I forgot all about it. I seen a post today about their poly gel, and it was 4 colors, and they put each one out, and I don't know how long the video was, but the video was just sitting there, and those things didn't budge. They didn't move at all. I like firm poly gel. So right here, this is me applying the top coat. I was running off with the mouth, didn't even realize it. This is the Beetles top coat. And see, this is where I kind of messed up, and you kind of see where the nails got kind of lumpy. It was because the confetti topper, I didn't smooth it out enough, or whatever I did. I should have used a sponge and it would have looked nicer, but you live and you learn, and that's what happened. Do you see their top coat, y'all? It's so pretty. So I kept these nails on for over a week, almost 2 weeks. I think I will post a video, I'm saying tomorrow probably, of me filing them off. It'll be like a little ASMR for you guys, so you guys can see my new growth. You'll be able to see in the picture, but yeah. That's that. I don't know what else to say. Well, yesterday, where I'm from, it was 85 degrees, right? Today, it's 20 degrees lower. It's only 65 and it's raining. It's been raining all damn day. Like, what is going on? This weather out here is like bipolar or something. I don't know. Makes no sense to me. It really don't. Okay, I'm not sure what I'm doing right here. Maybe I'm getting the top coat off around my cuticles and everything. Yep, that's what I'm doing. I'm trying, y'all. Trying so hard. Because that gel be running, and you don't know, and then it'd be too late. So do you guys have any tips or tricks to keep it from running? I know Young Nails, well, Nail by Nikki, she's the one who showed us, because she went to the show in Orlando and they was at the nail show, but I think they have a video on it too where they actually just do it. They basically use whatever's on their brush for all the nails. So basically they're act like they're about to put the top coat on, like paint it. They do one swipe, go to the next nail, one swipe, next nail, one swipe, next nail, one swipe, next nail, one swipe, and then they go back to the other nail, and this is all what they use. That one swipe is what they use for the whole nail, and I think that's kind of cool. I think it keeps it from running and everything like that. I think I'm curing it. I really don't know, y'all. I don't know. Yeah, I think I cured it. Look how pretty it is. You see how the sun was shining through that day? It was a real sunny day. So here are my nails. This is the finished product. I hope you guys like it and enjoy it. It's so cute and pretty. Oh, check out Miss Gel Galore. She seen my video and she decided to give it a try too. So check out her video. She did some swatches. And yeah. Check her out. She got some good videos, y'all. Check her out. I need to comment more on her video. I be watching them, but I don't comment. Am I bad for that? I do it with a lot of people. They probably think I'm watching, but I watch you guys. I really do. It's just I know how the comment thing is. Like if you comment too many times, I think you're spam.